Ew, I thought my skin was clean until I got the Shark HydroFacial. It pushes clean water into your pores and clears the gunk out, just like a professional HydroFacial does, but now I can just do it at home. And they dropped the biggest coupon I've ever seen. I'm canceling my HydroFacial appointments because this thing just paid for itself. I was honestly shocked at how much dirt and oil this pulled out of my pores. It's great if you have large pores or stubborn blackheads like I do. I mean, just look at the gunk tank. This is disgusting. See those floaties? And this isn't just a HydroFacial. It also comes with the icy cold and hot gua sha tool. It literally feels like an ice cube on your face so that you can depuff and calm the skin down, and then it can switch to hot. It feels like a hot stone massage, and it's great for draining your lymphatic system. I can't wait to use this every week. My skin feels so refreshed. Comes with everything to get you started. Grab it. This coupon is so good.